Hello and welcome to Emovis Tag. This easy guide will show you the best place to position your Emovis tag in your car for optimal performance. The tag must be positioned in the shaded or mottled area located behind the rearview mirror. Make sure the inside of the windscreen behind the rearview mirror is clean. Locate the dark mottled black shaded area for the Liberty tag and its clip. Remove the tape from the clip. Stick the clip to the glass of the windscreen in the dark mottled black shaded area and press for 10 seconds. Insert the Liberty tag onto the clip. If no mottled area is available due to equipment covering it and your windscreen is not a thermic, attach the tag to clear glass near the occupied area and approach the barrier closely. For additional questions or more information, please visit our website at emovistag.co.uk.